All right. Now we're doing 7Q, sort array by string length. This is by Steve Hopkinson, and 92% of the people like it. So now we're going to write a function that takes an array of strings as an argument and returns a sorted array containing the same strings, ordered from shortest to longest. For example, if this array were passed in as an argument, this one right here, our function would return the following array. So it would start with i's because it has 4 characters, and it would just go up from there. All the strings in the array passed to our function will be different lengths, so we will not have to decide how to order multiple strings of the same length. All right. So let's start off by making this concise syntax. Const sort by length, and then we'll just say equals a and have the arrow right here. Then we'll do the console.log so we can test while we go. And we'll start right here. So first let's see what A looks like. I bet it looks exactly like this, but let's just do it anyway. And yes, just like that. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to sort the thing by the length, right? So let's say A at O dot length. Let's do A at O first, just so you can see. So test it out. It's going to give us beg. Test it out just like that. And so dot length, it's going to give us 3. So let's test that out. And there it is. All right. So we're just going to do, well, I'll show you what we're going to do. All right. So we're going to use the sort method on this. We're going to say a dot sort, and then we're going to start with this. Let me show you about the sort method if you haven't done it. Pardon me, if you haven't seen it before. So over here on the sort method, we're going to do this thing right here where we're going to use a compare function. And the purpose of the compare function is to define an alternative sort order. Usually it's just alphabetical order, but this one will compare something and return a negative, a 0, or a positive value, depending on the arguments. So basically what you need to know is here, if the result is negative, A is going to be sorted before B, and if the result is positive, then B will be before A, all right? So instead of doing A minus B, we're going to do A dot length minus B dot length. So they'll check each one's length against each other. So let's come over here, we'll say A dot sort, and we'll have A as the first argument in here, and B as the second, and this is in the comparison function. And then we'll do this and say a dot length minus b dot length. All right. And if it gives us negative, it's going to say the same. And if it gives us positive, they're going to switch. So let's test it out. And there we go. I2 big life right there. Let's attempt it. No. Let's get rid of this console.log first off. And then let's test it again. Looks good. Attempt it. All right, and submit it. All right, and there we go. And you see this first one, array.sort, array.sort. Here's something, dot sort. Here's something, but I don't think that's it's got a dot map. So yeah, you can just keep on going through. I doubt you'll see a bubble sort anytime soon. Maybe is this one? I don't know. Anyway, so let's go over to mine. Just a bunch of us, 32 of us, and these folks right here. Best practices, in my opinion, and very much like it. And we'll see you next time.